AWE, and behind me is a marked 7.5 GLI with one of the two AWE systems installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the systems so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what they're all about. The AWE system picks up after the emissions equipment and bolts directly up utilizing the factory breakpoint and OEM clamp. From there, it goes into an adapter that allows the AWE exhaust to work with the factory system, but you can also remove this adapter for a 3-inch connection. From there, exhaust gases flow into the bullet-style resonator that is packed but features a straight-through design to keep those tones nice and smooth. The T304L stainless continues all the way back with plenty of clearance around the bracing, the fuel tank, and the rear arms. That brings us to the track and touring edition sections. The track edition is exactly what it looks like, and the touring edition features our 180 technology resonators. 180 Technology's AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, the annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight pipe exhaust. Plus, no matter which option you choose, we do offer conversion kits, so you can switch it up anytime and you're never stuck. That brings us to the tips. Each system has an option of dual 5-inch double-walled and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. So now that you've seen the systems, here's how they sound. We hope you like what you heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.